train him, he'll just get used to what we're doing and everything else, but he'll still have some time off.
Has anyone been cut already?
No, no one else yet, but again, we're getting closer to the witching hour on Friday and Saturday, and I might make another couple of cuts then. We'll see how they get on the next couple of days. There's a couple that have disappointed me a little bit with some of their scores in the fitness and on a couple of other things. So if we need to tighten it up and chop the team down, then that's what we'll do. But last week I didn't drop anyone. They all had a very good work ethic and they trained brilliantly. And I gave them probably on Tuesday afternoon the worst fitness session they probably ever had. They really did crawl off the field. It'd be interesting if you speak to some of the boys and ask them how hard it was, but it was just full on for a long time. So they'll be getting more of the same this week, and then next week we're into more 7-on-7 stuff. So you'll see some of them go head to head against each other when they're fit and fully operational, I guess. So that should be a really interesting week next week.
With the plan for the Olympic trainings you have, is it going according to plan? The way the boys are reacting right now? Or?
Yeah, it is absolutely going to plan. I want to get the gym stuff. You can see over there, the gym's almost done, but the kit's stuck in Nandi at the moment because no one's paid the travel costs. So we need to get that sorted and get it across here as soon as possible. But apart from that, yeah, their fitness scores, their strength testing, the size they are, the fat they're losing. So we got guys at 6.5% body fat, which is just incredible when some of these guys are 100 kilograms plus. And Leone Nakarawa broke his PB for the yo-yo this week, and he's down to 120 kilograms. We don't really want him to lose too much. 120 is still pretty big, but to have him at his fittest he's ever been, and we think we can still get a couple of levels out of him in the yo-yo. That's awesome for him because he can really then display his talents for a lot longer period of time on the field.